This may be a song that the captives can yet sing, but if we sing long enough, they might join in with us. And this may be a dance that's too heavy for those chains, but if we dance long enough, well, the prisons will open up. Hey! May be a shout that those fragile lungs can't bear, but if we shout long enough, well, the walls might finally fall, and they may need some help to lift their hands up in the air. But we know that freedom's coming, so we'll sing it all the more. We're singing, oh, the redeemed now have